I'm one in here, man. Listen to one in here, man. No man no fi sleep with man, and no one back a man and go mix with man. Christian can't turn lesbian, cause you hear that the boot that you know say you wrong. Christian just fornication, don't let the road the lamentation. You can't they go church and they go over the man, for you visit the man that abomination. Preach, 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 preach. In the name of the Lord. In the name of the Lord. Two roads, man, you have to take one. You can't just say God and they take Satan. You know, guess me no spell, take me picture, me repose. If you're hard in your heart, you will lick off your nose. Enemy the force, this is what I propose. If you don't chase your ways, fire blaze out your clothes. Preach, 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 preach. Take command, let me drop it in a one. Have no other God before the big man. No make the graven image in no man. Master God is not like that one. No take the name of the Lord in vain, no man. Remember the Sabbath is only no man. And not the mother and father, no man. When you do that, man, your days gonna be long. Preach, 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 preach. Nobody kill, no go steal, if indulge no man. No be a false witness against no one. For you the on the road, they are straight wrong bang. Preach, 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 preach. Your name called for molestation. Christian should never join in a gang. Yeah, the panquire and the ton gunman. Like the woman that the well, you have 5 husbands. Full time now, man, you have to choose one. Preach, 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 preach. After you know David or the King Solomon, have 10 wife and you can't mind one. I know every fruit you fi pick. Leave wrong bang and go take one stick. Preach, 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 preach. No man no fi sleep with man, and go walla back a man and go mix with man. Christian can't turn lesbian, cause you hear that the boot that you know say you wrong. Christian just fornication, don't let the road the lamentation. You can't they go church and they go over the man, for you visit the man that abomination. Preach, preach,